Once again, our goal is to get rid of any negative exponents. And so a shortcut that exists is if there is a negative exponent on an entire fraction, you can just take the reciprocal of the fraction and change the exponent to a positive number. And we're doing this again because we don't want any negative exponents. All right, so I'm going to change this.
I found this on the web.
Oh my. I'm going to change this to the positive 1. And when I do that, we need to take the reciprocal. And so then 2/5 to the 1, anything to the power of 1 is itself. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to change this to positive 1. And in order to change that exponent, I'm going to take the reciprocal. And then we have 6 over 1, which is just 6. And 6 to the first power is 6. Okay, so let's do this one. I've got negative 2. I want to make that positive 2. So I'm going to make that to the positive 2. And now I can accomplish that by taking the reciprocal. To evaluate, you could do power to a power multiply, but I just expanded. I have 4/3 times 4/3, multiplying fractions across. 4 times 4 is 16, and 3 times 3 is 9. So 16 over 9. Okay, one last example here on this kind. Okay, I want to make this a positive exponent. So I'm going to turn that into a positive 3, and I can accomplish that by taking the reciprocal of what's inside. So I've got 2, move to the numerator, 5 to the denominator. Okay, and then 2/5 to the third power, I just expanded. Although some of you would do power to a power multiply and make that 2 to the third, 5 to the third. But I expanded. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. And we have our final answer. So the main idea is you can turn this negative exponent into a positive exponent by taking the reciprocal of the inside.